is the only known celestial body in the vast universe that hosts life, and it has been so for an estimated 4.55 billion years. Among the countless planets and stars in the cosmos, Earth stands as a unique oasis where a complex web of life has flourished. This remarkable planet has witnessed the emergence and evolution of diverse species, including our own, Homo sapiens, for centuries. Scientists have studied Earth's history, seeking to unravel the mysteries of its formation and development. It is believed that Earth came into existence shortly after the birth of our Sun, approximately 4.6 billion years ago. At that time, within a colossal molecular cloud in space, composed of dust and gases, the solar system took shape. A young sun, a massive star, underwent a supernova explosion, sending shockwaves through the nearby molecular cloud. These shockwaves compressed the cloud, setting to do rotating motion and forming what we now know as the solar system. As this cloud continued to spin, gravitational and inertial forces flattened it into a disk, with the majority of its mass accumulating at the center. This central region grew increasingly hot, leading to the fusion of hydrogen atoms and igniting the birth of our Sun. The remaining material on the disk coalesced into smaller bodies farther from the Sun. Over time, these small bodies collided and merged, giving rise to ancient celestial bodies, and, eventually, to Earth as we know it, approximately 4.55 billion years ago. Remarkable event occurred on Earth, an event that remains shrouded in mystery. Some molecular or elemental entity, it to be fully understood, displayed the remarkable ability to self-replicate, creating copies of itself. This enigmatic precursor, often referred to as the first DNA runner, laid the foundation for life's future. It marked the emergence of a remarkable molecule capable of storing genetic information, passing it on to subsequent generations. This molecule, known as DNA, became the fundamental building block of life as we know it. From that point on, life on Earth embarked on a remarkable journey of devolution and development. Roughly the first primitive cells emerged. These early life forms, simple in structure yet profound in their impact, utilized DNA as their genetic code and employed enzymes to catalyze critical biochemical reactions. They thrived and multiplied, forming thriving communities. Over the course of approximately 2 billion years, these early life forms evolved into more complex organisms. Around 790.0 years ago, humans, the pinnacle of biological evolution, appeared on Earth. While early humans possessed the ability to control fire and exhibited anatomical features distinct from their predecessors, humans, as we recognize them today, only emerged around 200.0 years ago. In the grand timeline of Earth's 4.55 billion year existence, the advent of modern humans represents a mere blink of an eye. Looking ahead, scientists predict that, in about 4.5 billion years, the Sun's core will deplete its nuclear fuel, leading to its transformation into a red giant. This cosmic event will have profound consequences for Earth and its inhabitants. However, it's important to note that even before this distant scenario unfolds, the sustainability of life on Earth may be threatened. Human activities, such as environmental pollution and climate change, could accelerate the timeline of Earth's environmental challenges. In conclusion, Earth's history is a captivating narrative of cosmic events and the evolution of life. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of our planet's past, it becomes increasingly crucial to address the challenges that threaten the future of Earth and all the life it sustains. Through collective efforts, we can strive to protect this unique home in the universe, ensuring its longevity for generations to come. After the formation of our Sun, the remaining material in the solar system continued to orbit it. Over time, gravity played a crucial role in the formation of celestial bodies within the solar system. These bodies ranged from small, rocky fragments to larger masses, eventually giving rise to the diverse set of planets and moons we observe today. Earth was far from the hospitable place we know today. It was a turbulent world characterized by intense volcanic activity, constant meteorite bombardments, and a toxic atmosphere devoid of oxygen. Yet, it was under these harsh conditions that life, in its simplest forms, began to emerge. The first organisms were likely extremophiles, capable of surviving in extreme environments, such as deep-sea hydrothermal vents or scalding hot springs. Over billions of years, these primitive life forms adapted and diversified, gradually transforming the Earth's atmosphere. Ancient photosynthetic bacteria, called Yenaba, or blue-green algae, play a pivotal role in this transformation. They harness sunlight to convert carbon dioxide into oxygen through photosynthesis, contributing to the enrichment of Earth's atmosphere with oxygen. This oxygen revolution, occurring around 2.4 billion years ago, marked a turning point in Earth's history. The presence of oxygen in the atmosphere enabled the evolution of more complex life forms. Eukaryotic cells, which possess a trone nucleus and organelles, emerged as a result of symbiotic relationships between different types of bacteria. These early eukaryotes paved the way for the development of multicellular organisms and ultimately lead to the rich tapestry of life we see on Earth today. Fast forward to about 541 million years ago, during the Cambrian explosion. A remarkable event occurred in Earth's evolutionary timeline. This period marked a rapid diversification of life, where complex organisms of diverse body plans appeared in the fossil record. It was during this era that Earth's oceans teemed with bizarre creatures, including the iconic trilobites, brachiopods, and early mollusks. The Cambrian explosion laid the groundwork for the subsequent evolution of animals and, eventually, the emergence of land-dwelling creatures. As we look to the future, Earth faces a set of challenges that could profoundly impact the sustainability of life on our planet. These challenges stem primarily from human activities, particularly the alteration of Earth's environment on a global scale. One of the most pressing concerns is climate change. The burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes have released unprecedented amounts of greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane, into the atmosphere. This has led to a dramatic increase in global temperatures, resulting in more frequent and severe weather events, rising sea levels, and disruptions to ecosystems. Climate change poses a significant threat to biodiversity and the livelihoods of countless species, including our own. Biodiversity loss is another critical issue. Human activities, such as habitat destruction, overexploitation of resources, and the introduction of invasive species, have caused a rapid decline in the populations of numerous plant and animal species. This loss of biodiversity has far-reaching consequences, as ecosystems depend on a delicate balance of diverse species to function properly. Without biodiversity, ecosystems become more vulnerable to disease outbreaks and environmental changes. The availability of freshwater is yet another concern. As the global population continues to grow, so does the demand for freshwater resources. Pollution, overextraction, and inefficient use of water resources have led to the depletion of aquifers and the pollution of rivers and lakes. Access to clean and reliable freshwater sources is essential for both human survival and the health of ecosystems. To address these challenges and secure the future of our planet, concerted global efforts are required. Nations, organizations, and individuals must work together to mitigate climate change, protect biodiversity, and ensure sustainable resource management. Transitioning to clean and renewable energy sources, implementing conservation measures, and promoting sustainable agriculture are just some of the steps that can help us safeguard Earth's environment. In the conclusion, Earth's history is a remarkable story of evolution and adaptation. From its tumultuous beginnings to the diverse and interconnected ecosystems we see today, our planet has demonstrated a remarkable ability to sustain life. However, the future of Earth and its inhabitants is at a crossroads. The challenges we face, primarily driven by human actions, require urgent attention and collective action. By recognizing our role as stewards of this unique home in the universe, we can strive to protect and preserve the Earth for generations to come. It is a shared responsibility that transcends borders and ideologies, and it is vital for the well-being of all life on our planet.